What's up, everybody? It's me, Chef Nikki, and I've been dying to show you how to make these Korean-style street tacos. So, it's made with scallion pancakes, sweet and savory beef, and pickled vegetables. If I were a taco, I'd want to be this taco. So, let me show you how it's made. As always, starches come first, so we're going to start with those scallion pancakes. We have 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of boiling water with a teaspoon of salt. I like to use a wooden spoon while mixing up my flour and water until it becomes what we call a shaggy dough. Look at that, she's shagging like your grandma's carpet in the 70s. If I haven't already told you, this recipe can be found on my website or in the description of this video. Knead the dough until it's a smooth ball, and then we're gonna wrap it in some plastic wrap and give it a slap. Now it's time to mise en place our veggies. Hulk smashed garlic, grate your ginger, and then chop your scallions. The white part is for cooking and the green part is for garnish. Small dice those carrots, and don't forget to take out the seeds of the cucumber. It is so classy. Once you're done chopping up your veggies, it's time to roll out our scallion pancakes. They've been resting comfortably on our counter. We're gonna divide that into 8 pieces, round each piece of dough into a little ghosty, and then it's time to roll them out. We're gonna brush some sesame oil right on top. That's gonna create some flaky layers. Next, we'll sprinkle on the green part of our scallions and then roll into like a little cinnamon snail. That technique is gonna help us make sure that we have flavors all throughout our little pancake. So then Hulk smash again. We roll out, flour in between. Now it's time to sear off in a little bit of avocado oil or whatever oil you like. The pancake should be thin and crispy and cooked all the way through. Brown up your meat and then add ginger garlic scallions to kick off this dish along with pro-seasoned gochugaru flakes and some other stuff. We're gonna kind of make like a little bit of a vinaigrette here and then toss in our veggies. And if you made it this far, it's time to build our taco. And you're right, past tense Nikki with no mic because she muted it by accident. It is delicious. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like my show, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell, and as always, leave a comment down below after you watch the video. Stay tuned for more videos.